Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have seen how to create a Great Learning account login. In this video, we see how to take an access to the online class by using the Great Learning account we have already created. For that, you need to first download two apps from the Play Store if you are using your cell phone. The apps are Great Learning and the second one is Zoom. I'll go to the Google Chrome now. Now type Olympus Great Learning. Click enter. Here you can see a link olympus.greatlearning.in. Click on that first link. It is asking me to log in. If you download the Great Learning app in your cell phone and open it, so it is going to show a window like this. There also you need to log in through the mail ID and a password which you have already created. So since I have created an account for the mail ID anusha.20EE@cambridge.edu.in. So the password is Kiran@123. Make sure your password is a combination of uppercase letter, lowercase letter, special character, and a number. So this password combination you have to give while creating the account itself. That is in a previous video, when you are creating an account, such combination of password should be given. So I'll click on login. Now you can see the learner dashboard once you log in. Here you can see the options called upcoming, ongoing, and a completed session. Once the teacher schedules the class through online, you'll get an invitation link in the upcoming section. There you can see an invitation. By clicking on that invitation, you can able to join the class which runs through the Zoom app. Now we are required with the Zoom account in order to attend the class. Now let us see how to open the Zoom account for the given official mail ID. I'll just minimize this. In order to create the Zoom account, we need to have a downloaded Zoom app. Here I have downloaded the Zoom app here. I'll just open it. Click on sign in. It is asking me to sign in through the mail ID and a password. Since I don't have any account in the Zoom, I need to create one account using the official mail ID. For that, here I have an option called sign up for free. Click on that. It is asking me to confirm the date of birth. So I'll give my date of birth here. So the respective student date of birth you have to give. Click on continue. It is asking your work email address, in the sense to which mail ID you have to create a Zoom account. That mail ID you have to enter. Since I'm using my official mail ID, so I'll type anusha.20EE@cambridge.edu.in, because I wanted to create a account to this particular mail ID. So click on sign up. We have sent an email to anusha.20EE@cambridge.edu.in. Click the confirmation link in that mail to begin using Zoom. So in order to use the Zoom account, I have to open my official mail ID. I'll just minimize this now. So I'll go to the Google Chrome. I have to take access to my Gmail account, gmail.com. So I'm using anusha.20EE@cambridge.edu.in. Click on next. Type a password. Password is Kiran@123. Click on next. Yes. Here we have a email from the Zoom server. So open that email now. Activate account. You can see an option called activate account. Click on the activate account. It is going to ask a name, the first name and the last name. I'll give my first name and last name, and the last name is C. And again, it is asking a password for the Zoom account. I'll give the same password which I have given for the Great Learning. If you wish, you can give a different password, but I will give the same password. So confirm the password one more time. It is Kiran at 123. So click on continue. Now the activation of the Zoom account is done. Now I have to sign in now. I'll just close this mail now. Now open the Zoom app. Click on sign in. Type your mail ID anusha.20 cambridge.edu.in. Type a password. Click on sign in. Yes. Now I have opened the official Zoom account to attend the online classes. Now we have to go for the Great Learning app. So that is, once you log into the Great Learning app, and if the teacher schedules a class, you'll get a class invitation link here. If you click on that join class, directly it will take you to the online session. Make sure if you're attending the online class, you have to log in through the official Zoom account. Thank you all.